In the previous lesson, we saw how to exploit this vulnerability, this sticky keys command, and replace it with the command prompt. In this lesson, we have removed our DVD from the computer after running this exploit, and now we're going to compromise this Windows 7 laptop with our command prompt sticky key hack. So all I'm going to do is reboot this computer. And you can see this time we're booting into the regular Windows 7 boot. And now we're back to the booted Windows 7 laptop. I still don't know the username bpain's password from several years ago, though, when I used this laptop. So let me show you how we run the sticky keys hack. All we need to do is our second special key combination. We're going to hit the Shift key 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what that is there? That is a Windows command prompt. I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see it better. There we go, that's a little better. And now let's find out what user I'm running as. Who am I? NT Authority System. I am the system level or root user on this Windows 7 laptop. And remember, this works for any Windows computer, from Windows 95 XP all the way to the latest Windows 10.1. I am now able to run administrative level commands on this computer, including changing my old password. So if you just want to change your password on the machine, remember I had a user on here called bpain because I was the user of this computer several years ago. I can enter just one more command. That is net user and my username, bpain, and a new password. Well, I could set a simple password to just bpain for this time. And notice now, my old username from several years ago that I could not remember anymore has a new password of bpain. So I can log in now as bpain and bpain. But I want to do one extra step. We mentioned that we could create new user accounts and even make them administrators. I'm going to create a new user with the same net user command, and I will set a username of Ironman with a password of Jarvis, and all I need to do is add the /add or the /add command. And what this will do is create a new user called Ironman with the password Jarvis. And notice the command completed successfully. Well, if I log in now as Ironman and Jarvis, I'm going to be a regular user, just like bpain may have been a regular user on this computer. If I want to make those users administrators, I need to use one more command, and this is our fourth total command. We used our first two to copy over the sethc to a backup, the cmd to our sethc, and now we've done a net user Ironman add. We're going to do a net local group administrators, and we tell it the user that we want to add to administrators, Ironman. You can even add your own username. I could also add bpain up here, but I'm just adding a new user, Ironman with a password of Jarvis. Then I'm adding to the local group of administrators, in other words, the administrators on this computer, the admins, the super users on this Windows 7 computer that I used to own. And I finish the command with add, net local group administrators, and the username, add. The command completed successfully. Well, that means now I should be able to log on as Ironman using a password of Jarvis. I should also be able to log in as my old user, bpain and bpain. So when we come back, we're going to see how to log in as bpain with my username that I just reset to bpain, and we'll see how to log in as this new administrator, Ironman, who's going to have a password of Jarvis, and we'll have full access to all the files on the computer that are not encrypted. We'll see the hack finale in the next lesson.